Welcome to Letter Combinations. Today we will learn about two special letter pairs, PH and WH. These letter combinations make different sounds than you might expect. Let's explore how they work. The letter combination PH says the /F/ sound. Listen carefully. Phone, photo, dolphin. Even though we see the letters P and H together, they make the sound of the letter F. This is an important pattern to remember when reading English words. The letter combination WH says the /HW/ sound, which sounds like a W with an H at the beginning. Listen to these words. Whale, wheel, when. The W is pronounced first, and then you add a slight H sound. This combination appears at the beginning of words. Let's look at common words with PH. Phone is a device for talking to people. Photo is a picture taken with a camera. Phrase is a group of words. Dolphin is a smart animal that lives in the ocean. Pharmacy is a place where you get medicine. Flashlight is a tool that gives light. Notice how PH always makes the /F/ sound in all these words. Now let's practice WH words. Whale is a very large animal in the sea. Wheel is the round part of a car that spins when asks about time, where asks about location, which asks you to choose between things. Whirl means to spin around quickly. All of these words start with WH and make that /HW/ sound. Let's compare PH and WH. The letters PH make the /F/ sound and appear at the beginning or middle of words, like in phone. The letters WH make the /HW/ sound and appear only at the beginning of words, like in whale. Remember these patterns, and you will recognize these letter combinations easily in new words.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.